beautiful pictures,
Yeah.
and you've been ballooning.
I've been ballooning. In fact,
Yeah.
the scariest skydive I ever made in my skydiving career was out of a hot air balloon over near the Phoenix area. Yeah,
Okay.
and the reason it's so scary is when you leave the balloon, you get that I'm falling to my death sensation until you accelerate. So it's really cool. So it's beautiful. That's that's the thing about looking over a hot air balloon. You look down, you go, ugh.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
it's so still. when
It's
you're
so
up
still,
there.
and that's
Yeah.
why you get that I'm falling sensation, because you're not moving relative to the speed of the airplane when you leave. But it's beautiful. Great job. Okay, guys, so take a look at what's happening out there right now in the Treasure Valley. What we're seeing is a scattering of pop-up showers and thunderstorms that are developing. The skies are turning dark and very ominous all of a sudden. Two areas of thunderstorm activity. This one that's located way down here to the south of Boise may just kind of clip the airport. We're going to be watching that thunderstorm cell, but this is the one that has my attention right now. It is generating a gust front. You see that little skinny line? This is the Doppler radar indicating this is probably the leading edge of a dust cloud that's being kicked up from the strong winds descending out of the base of this thunderstorm, and it is moving generally to the northeast at about 25 miles per hour. So here are some of the communities that lie in the path of that storm. Emmett right around 452. We'll probably start to see the leading edge of that thunderstorm. Is there lightning associated with it? Absolutely. You can see some of those strikes that are taking place. There's Parma. So you're on the tail end of this storm, and it looks like it's just approaching the Sand Hollow area. So some pockets of moderate to heavy rain associated with these storms, maybe some gusty winds in excess of 45 to 50 miles per hour. We'll continue to watch them, but after this evening, things are going to be clearing out significantly. Here's what's happening with the latest on, yes, it is still a tropical storm. Tropical Storm Harvey, even though the center of circulation came onshore right along the coastline of Louisiana, it's still holding on with a feeder band stretching all the way down into the Florida Panhandle. Sustained winds at 40 miles per hour, so it is just barely holding on to tropical storm status, moving to the northeast now at about 8 miles per hour. But eastern Texas is still seeing some very heavy, persistent rain bands associated with the center of that storm. 94 degrees right now in Boise, 91 degrees in Nampa. We're cooling off rapidly, courtesy of the clouds and the showers and the wind in the area. 91 in Caldwell. Look at what's happening right now in Baker City. Baker City has dropped to 74 degrees. McCall's still very warm at 86 degrees. And talking about better days ahead, what we're going to be seeing is a lot of sunshine this holiday weekend. So it's kind of nice to see the holiday weekend rolling in. The only problem is it is going to be getting downright hot. On Saturday, the temperature readings in the upper 90s. On Sunday, 100 degrees. On Monday, 99 degrees. So near record high temperature readings are expected. And here's the reason why. First, you can see the big plume of tropical moisture that's hanging out across much of the Great Basin. Here comes the leading edge of the front that's helping to kick off some of these showers and storms. But scattered showers and storms are expected this evening, and then watch what happens with the jet stream, which is the steering mechanism for storms in the atmosphere. As we approach the holiday weekend, jet stream retreats to the north. Big old area of high pressure starts to build in out here across the entire western United States. And with this big area of high pressure, it's like an oven. It's going to start turning up the heat. It's going to be a cooker of a holiday weekend, very hot conditions. Lots of sunshine, and we'll be dealing with occasional varying degrees of smoke from fires that are still burning out west. So here's the 7-day forecast. As we take a look at the numbers here for the Treasure Valley, tomorrow it's not going to be too bad. Behind this front tonight, we may see a couple of early showers around some of the mountainous areas. Otherwise, look for clearing skies tomorrow. And I'm just going to say not as hot with a high of 90 degrees. On Friday, sunny and warmer, 93. Saturday, hot and sunny, 98. Sunday, hot and sunny, 100 degrees. Near record heat through the holiday, and then maybe temperatures coming down into the mid-90s around the middle of next week. The mountains will see shower chance and occasional thunderstorms this evening, maybe a couple of little spritzies in the morning. But here comes the sunshine tomorrow afternoon, and the sunshine sticks around on Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. Should be a great holiday weekend if you're trying to enjoy one last big, summer-like pattern for a weekend with lots of sunshine. This is the one to do it.
All right, thank you, Roland.
You bet.